Racing just is started with total defiance. Break quickly restart, rushing about the outside. Now is Hook Boom Dagat to take the lead. Russell Dazzle in third, and in fourth now is Winterfield moving upon the outside. Now is Jacobus Magic, then followed by Bahaghari G's account, running by the release Kaligayahan, while kay Tagalog is racing in less and going along for the first turn. We have Total Defiance now takes command by about 2 lengths, and in second is Hook Boom Dagat. And in third comes Russell Dazzle, then comes Jacobus Magic, Bahaghari comes next, Winterfields, then comes G's account, kay Tagalog racing second last, while Kaligayahan na winless. Inside the tres octavo, we have Total Defiance by about 2 lengths. Hook Boom Dagat now trying to get closer in second. Russell Dazzle, then comes Jacobus Magic. Winterfields comes next, and the other one entering the home stretch. We have Total Defiance. Hook Boom Dagat now moving upon the outside. Russell Dazzle, Jacobus Magic, Winterfields, and as they swing for home, we have number 6, Hook Boom Dagat moving upon the outside is Jacobus Magic. Winterfields is down on the inside. Hook Boom Dagat, but it's still Hook Boom Dagat, and finally Hook Boom Dagat. Jacobus Magic, Winterfield.
For race number 5, Bayang Karinista, our unofficial winner, 6 horse, Hook Boom Dagat with FM Recalo Jr. Numero 8 pumasa sa segundo dyan, Jacobus Magic. Numero 3, Winterfields. 7 horse, Russell Dazzle.